If you're following Steam Deck news, you've likely heard about DBrand's project killswitch, the ill-fated Steam Deck case with a detachable kickstand. A last-minute design flaw with this magnetized attachment forced DBrand to flip the kill switch on the kill switch. They've taken the design back to the drawing board and decided to ditch magnets entirely for an interlocking mechanism. But Deckmate, a Steam Deck accessory manufacturer, has seemingly beat them to the punch by launching their own series of mechanical attachments. Does Deckmate's dandy device destroy DBrand's delayed deck dreams, or do Deckmate developers deliver disappointing designs? Let's find out. Deckmate is a modular Steam Deck attachment system that allows users to mount any number of devices to the rear of the Steam Deck, or mount the deck itself in any number of locations. The magic of this little device comes from a spring-loaded quick release that works across the entire ecosystem. Deckmate sells their own attachments, like this kickstand, but the universality of the interface means you can add just about anything you're willing to carry to the back of the deck. For example, the devices I'm using in this video come from today's sponsor, UGREEN. UGREEN sells quality products like portable chargers, power adapters, cables, and hubs. Stick around later and I can tell you how to make the most of your next small electronics purchase. Deckmate bundles that include various accessories start at $30 and are exclusively available on their website. They sent me their entire system, which comes with a grip, kickstand, wall mount, adapter plate, vase mount, and 2 universal pucks. This all-inclusive kit sells for $49. Individual pieces can also be purchased a la carte. Any other products I mentioned in this video can be purchased using my affiliate links in the video description. Deckmate components are low profile and made of a somewhat flexible black plastic. The color and reflectiveness closely match the finish of the Steam Deck, but is discernibly smoother. All of the attachments feel robust despite remaining relatively lightweight and flexible. Let's break down each component since I happen to have them all here. The grip is the keystone to the whole system and is included in every bundle. All parts sold by Deckmate attach using this square-shaped cutout and can be mounted up or down in orientation. In addition to serving as an interface for accessories, it also has 2 slots to hold extra microSD cards. It attaches to the deck by aligning with the edges of the fan exhaust at the top and clipping to the bottom. Centering the valve logo in the cutout ensures it has been positioned correctly. While the grip can easily be applied or removed, it can interfere with some protective cases and docking stations. That's where the adapter plate comes in. Instead of attaching with physical clips, it uses a 3M adhesive pad. Now you can continue using your favorite cases and docks while enjoying the flexibility of the Deckmate system. The only caveat is that the 3M pad doesn't adhere well to soft body silicone cases, and you have to use caution if you ever try to remove it. The universal pucks can be attached to any other small device to make it easier to game on the go. The Steam Deck is large, and making use of this extra real estate at the rear to carry accessories greatly improves practicality. I used one puck with this UGREEN 7-in-1 USB-C adapter. It's compatible with the Steam Deck and has an HDMI 4K 60 out, 100-watt power delivery, gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a full-size and micro SD card slots. If you have games on separate SD cards, they can be installed here and become available alongside your other Steam library games. I used the other puck with this UGREEN Nexode 65-watt power adapter, so it could easily be carried with me. Not only is this adapter smaller and more powerful than the one supplied with the Steam Deck, but it also has 3 USB ports to charge several devices simultaneously. These 2 UGREEN devices and many more can be found using the link in the description. A kickstand is one of the most common additions to the Steam Deck, and Deckmate has designed one that's compatible with their ecosystem. A high-friction hinge makes it infinitely adjustable between 0 and 120 degrees. It can also lay completely flat to allow the Steam Deck to be placed level on a table. The wall mount allows the Steam Deck to be fastened to a vertical surface by using either the adhesive pad or the screw holes with included screws and wall anchors. I imagine this is more of a safe storage solution, as I don't think trying to game on it while being secured to a wall would be very practical. The VESA mount makes it compatible with any standard 75 by 75mm VESA accessory, such as monitor arms or TV mounts. In addition to being able to purchase the components directly from Deckmate, in an extremely pro-consumer move, they've made their 3D CAD files available to download for free. If you have access to a 3D printer, you can get all of these accessories for just the cost of filament. Installing the grip and other accessories was easy, but there are no included instructions. There are, however, some videos available on their website and YouTube channel that I found helpful. All of the interlocking components fit securely and give me a lot of confidence. The only concern with this approach is that it seems to make contact with and rub against the surface of the Steam Deck when being installed. While this doesn't seem to have had any visual impact in the 2 weeks I've been testing, I'm concerned if I swap out components regularly that this could begin to scratch my device with prolonged use. I don't know how this would affect the design, but it would be nice if the attachments could be oriented at 90-degree increments instead of just up and down, similar to the way the magnetic kill switch mechanism worked. Although the grips make full cover cases and some docks unusable, the Steam Deck still fits in most carrying cases when it's installed. All of the included components are made with what appear to be a quality injection molded plastic. The only issue I had was with the kickstand. And instead of picking up the deck, flipping it over, holding it in one hand, and adjusting the kickstand with the other, I usually just apply a little extra force to the deck to make the kickstand adjust to the angle I need. This works fine up to a certain angle where the force I'm applying compresses the springs in the quick release and makes the kickstand come flying off. This could easily be fixed by flipping the orientation of the springs so that they face down, no longer being compressed by the weight of the deck. Overall though, it's a well thought out design and greatly improves the Steam Deck's livability. When I reviewed the kill switch, I said this: while the kill switch is relatively unique at the moment, the competitive landscape could change quite a bit by the time the finished product releases. Well, not only are competitors in the works, but some are already here. Now, to be fair, the Deckmate is an attachment accessory only and not a full case. Placing it next to the kill switch is a bit of an apples to oranges comparison. But for the money, Deckmate is, as far as I've seen, the best option for adding attachments to your Steam Deck, especially if you happen to own a 3D printer. Deckmate is available for purchase directly from their website, deckmate.me. All other products I mentioned can be found using my affiliate links. Special thanks to UGREEN for sponsoring this video. Their devices can likewise be found using the provided links. And the shirts from Retro Rifle can be found using the link in the description, but these aren't sponsored. I just really like their stuff and people always ask me where I get them, so there you go. If you missed my Project Kill Switch review or my Steam Deck accessories video, those can be found here. I have an updated Steam Deck accessories video coming out featuring products that go way over the top, so get subscribed to know when that video is ready. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.